Welcome sa channel, tara na't sumabay. Travel, cooking live, walang sablay. Money Villa, vibe ay tunay. Click subscribe, wag ka nang magatubay. Lumilipad ang kwento, parang eroplano. Iba't ibang lugar, hatid saya sa tao.
Hello everyone! For this episode guys, I am going to cook sinaing na tulingan. Okay? And this is about 1.5 kg tulingan. Yan. Skipjack tuna guys. Alright? Or bullet tuna. Yan guys, nalinis ko na guys. Ayan. Malalaki kasi siya guys. Kung ito'y maliliit lang guys, yung tinatawag ng bullet tuna, ay pwede natin siyang buo ang ating pagkaluto. Ayan. And this is Manny's version guys. Ayan, ito yung ating mga ingredients guys. Simple lang. Mayroon tayong, ayan, chicharon. Wala naman kasi tayong taba na pork. Yan. Pero mataba ito siya guys, oh, na chicharon. And we have chili para pangsipa. Whole peppercorn. At mayroon tayong dalawang whole cloves ng garlic. Mayroon akong long green pepper na hinog na. Ayan. Ihalo natin. At mayroon tayong dried calamias guys. Okay. I brought it from Philippines. Ayan. So ito lang ang simpleng mga ingredients guys ng ating recipe by Manny's version cooking. At gagamit tayo ng tubig at kunting olive oil. Ayan. Alright. Let's get ready. And guys, nakahanda na yung ating it's already prepared. First is we are going to put this dried calamias or dried kamyas. Okay. And after that, half of this garlic. Ayan, nandyan pa yung ano niya guys. Okay. Then also the pork chicharon. Ayan. Alright. Half of that. And of course chili. Ayan. Yung pulang green pepper. Ayan. Alright. So let's start now our fish tuna. Ito yung skipjack tuna guys. Ayan. This is long process guys of cooking. Yan. Ito yung mga buntot niya. Malalaki kasi ito guys. Big skipjack tuna. Wala akong makitang maliit. Alright. This is Manny's version guys. I know that there are so many ways how to cook this one. Yung iba niluluto nila sa pot, yung iba binabalot nila sa dahon ng saging. Ayan. Another 4. Then another chicharon on the top. Ayan. O diba? Kanya-kanya lang paraan yan guys. And this is my version. After that, we add a little amount of whole peppercorn. Ayan. Then I will add a little amount of olive oil and fish sauce. Fish sauce. One tablespoon. Then we'll add the water. Until it covers the fish. guys. So it's ready now. We'll start the fire. Alright. Let's cover, guys, and simmer for about 1 hour. So, kumukulo na, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. So, at this point, guys, maglalagay tayo ng asin. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, this is long process, guys. So, after 15 minutes yan kumukulo na. So, we'll put it in low heat, guys. This is about 4 hours cooking process for this recipe, guys. Until the skipjack tuna become tender. Alright? Let's check, guys. After 2 hours, ito na, guys, oh. Slowly cooking, guys. Ayan. Yan, malinamnam na ito, guys. Let's taste. Uy. Init ito, guys. Wow. Fantastic. Let's cover. Simmer for another 2 hours. Let's see, guys, after 3 hours. Guys, may sabaw pa, guys. Pero malambot na. Uy, ang sarap-sarap nito, guys. Sarap. Alright. Yan, guys, oh. Another taste. Wow. Super, guys, super. So let's simmer for another 1 hour. Let's cover. Yeah. Let's check, guys, after 4 hours. Yan, oh. Yan, mamantika na, guys. So, yan. Game over na, guys. Ang sarap na nito, guys, oh. Uy. Alright. Okay. Tapos na natin and wait na lang tayo sa palaway portion. Ayan, guys, nandito na tayo sa ating exciting portion na kung saan atin nang titikman ang Manny's version ng sinaing na tulingan. Ayan, guys, oh. Yan. Yan, sinaing na tulingan. Tinitiyak ko na sabaw pa lang. Sauce pa lang niya ay ulam na. Alright. Lumabas na yung patis niya, guys. So, let's start sa tikim natin. Ayan. By the way, guys, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsusubaybay sa ating Manny's version cooking. At ito, titikman na natin. And first bite for you, guys. Napakasarap, guys. Kasi may chicharon siya, guys. Ayan yung chicharon, guys. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan. Uy, tikman natin. Ang lambot ng mga kwan niya, tinik na. Natin to, laman. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. Guys, hindi pwedeng walang kanin, guys. Pag sinain, guys, talagang may kanin. Yan, chicharon, no? Tamang-tama lang ang kanyang sipa, guys. Ayan, no? Wow. Kanin guys. Ayan guys, oh. Winner na, panalo pa. Try ninyo ang ganitong pagkaluto guys. Kung mayroon kayong tulingan, bullet tuna or skipper tuna guys. So, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsusubaybay, sa inyong mga magagandang comments, kind words, and your support guys. And I will try my best to make another recipe na matutunan ninyo, easy to follow, and makikita lang kung saan. Ayan. Maraming salamat, at until next time, God bless us always. Please subscribe. Bye!
Subscribe ka na, tara, go na go. Yeah, Manibela Channel, walang kapantay. Travel, cooking live.